Yeah, you guys won. Driving me bonkers. I don't understand why every 5 seconds a video ad pops up. I mean, come on. Alright, official day one, working on the bus. Saying official because I worked on it the first day, or the day after I got it, which was a couple days ago, but it was only for like an hour just to see how hard it would get some seats out. And I got about, I think, 6 out, so somewhat. But I just been working on it for about another hour, and I got the last half on the other side of the seats out. So I got 1 row done. I'm about to start on the 2nd row. Took a little bit of trial and error. The first 6 seats I went through 3 grinder blades there. I don't know if they were cheaper grinder blades. They're ones that came with the grinder that my friend gave me. But I went to Walmart and got Gator Power. Never heard of it, but I got the other 6 seats out, and I'm not even close to do that blade. Excuse me, I'm a little dirty from all the grinding and stuff like that. So pretty much what I've been doing is grinding each one of these bolts completely off and getting them, you know, the metal pretty thin so that when I pull it like that, it just yanks right off. And then there's a these bolts right here. There's a nut right on the bottom right here that I just either grab onto, or if it's a little too tight, then I get my wrench on there. Just take that right off. One thing I didn't know that's underneath here is there's a little lever right here. You guys can see that lever right there. You turn that, and the seat will just pop right off, pretty much. Got hard to do it with one hand, but anyways, yeah, you turn that, and the seat was pop off before I was pulling off these little tabs that are down here. So that's a lot easier way. And then once you pull the seat off, there's another screw or bolt just right in there. They just take off, and then I just pull it and yank it back. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Goal is today to get the rest of the seats out here, and maybe, just maybe even, get the floor up. Alright, day 1 bus conversion over. Not quite dark yet, but I've had a day, so I'm calling it quits. Got the rest of the seats out, and one side of the rubber flooring up. Got really lucky because the flooring came up like super easy. I've seen on other videos where they're sitting there with a crowbar peeling it up little by little, and I just pulled and it all came out in one piece. I cut it in half just so it wasn't so big in the bus. So I cut it in half, then rolled it up and threw it off to the side over there with my pile. Ready to get some sleep. Gotta work tomorrow, so probably won't be getting much done on the bus tomorrow. That's why I want to get so much done today. But I'm hoping by the end of this month to have a bus completely gutted. Alright. Peace. This is a nightmare. Trying to find, you know, I don't really want to go and buy free video editing software. I mean, I guess, yeah, it's free. Freaking sucks. Not easy to use, makes no sense. This one has ads. Driving me nuts. And then I got kid underneath me and kid to the side that are driving me nuts as well.
What?
Yeah, you're driving me nuts.
What? I'm not?
Yeah, driving me nuts. Stupid video editor. I don't understand why. Copy. Okay, so it will pull through. Sorry, well then don't do that. Watch out. Yeah, you can't crawl in there. Yeah, you guys won. Driving me bonkers. I don't understand why every 5 seconds a video ad pops up. I mean,